AssemblyPro, when it doesn't make sense to make it yourself. Hi, I'm Kelly Lane, Director of Value-Added Services for OneSource Distributors. I'm here at Solar Turbines, who started using OneSource's AssemblyPro service over 25 years ago. You know, many of our customers struggle to find sources of electrical and automation product subassemblies and panels. They typically don't tend to think of their wholesale suppliers as possible sources, though. At OneSource, we try to live up to our name as one source of solutions. So today I'd like to show you how your best outsourcing supplier may be right under your nose. AssemblyPro is one of our 7 key value-added services that help customers deliver value and lower total costs. Let's take a look at exactly how AssemblyPro does it. At OneSource, we know that you provide the most value to your customers when you can focus your energy on things you really do well. And a key part of this involves outsourcing other operations to those who can execute them better or more economically. When you do this, it allows you to reduce the total cost of combined business practices, from product planning and development to manufacturing and logistics. It's a real winning strategy, and AssemblyPro could be your best partner to make it happen. If you're wondering about our specific capabilities, let me show you. OneSource began its assembly and contract manufacturing business by listening to our customers' needs and proposing unique solutions. From there, we built on our in-house assembly and business management talent in order to launch a service to do this for many more customers. Following that, we added professional manufacturing and Six Sigma quality personnel. And today, we have a 24,000-foot dedicated assembly facility backed by a team of highly qualified technicians, as well as logistical support from our central distribution centers. Despite that significant growth, the way we serve customers is still the same. We listen to the needs, then recommend and propose solutions for anything from sophisticated racks and control panel assemblies, enclosure modifications to simple cabling and cord set assemblies, wire cutting, branding, and labeling. Companies like Cymer Laser, Eaton Leonard, L3, Solar Turbines, and Thermo Scientific have relied on OneSource's experience, desire to serve, technical creativity, and logistical follow-through. OneSource is able to deliver these notable customers because of our quality people and processes. Now here's Laura Jones to tell you how we go about working with you.
Hi, my name is Laura Jones. I'm the General Manager for AssemblyPro. AssemblyPro is a program that OneSource has developed listening to all of our customers and listening to their pain points. We've provided technical solutions and lean solutions utilizing one single transaction for the multiple line items that they're currently having to manage. We can provide kitting solutions for their floor, labor solutions, flexible capacity solutions that would provide the same level of certification, same level of quality that the customer is currently providing their own customers. We work a lot with our large OEM partners, the utilities, and also with our contractor partners when they have a project that they are unable to support with their current resources by allowing them to utilize our resources here.
Thanks a lot, Laura. As you can see, attention to detail is ingrained in our culture here at OneSource, and that ensures that we get it right for you, so you can get it right for your customer. Now here's a quick message from our chairman and founder, Bob Zamaripa, about the underlying philosophy behind AssemblyPro and every other value-adding OneSource service.
Hi, I'm Bob Zamaripa, co-founder of OneSource Distributors. Back in 1983, when Paul Judge and I co-founded OneSource, we had one single goal: reduce our customers' total operating costs. Today, almost 30 years later, we're still accomplishing that goal by leveraging our expertise in distribution services, materials management, logistical services, subassembly, and outsourced manufacturing. I want you to take a moment to experience the full suite of value-added services that OneSource Distributors has to offer. Back to our subject. I certainly hope you've learned about how OneSource's AssemblyPro services can help you focus on your core competencies through outsourcing certain product assemblies and product modifications to OneSource's AssemblyPro services. Now here's Kelly to tell you how to get started with OneSource's AssemblyPro services.
So if you're interested in finding ways to sharpen focus on your core competencies, reduce supply chain investment and expenses, and achieve on-time performance to satisfy your customers, call this number today for a free consultation with one of our AssemblyPro technicians. Because when it doesn't make sense to make it yourself, outsource it to OneSource AssemblyPro.